Hi, this is Brian Linchey with your weekly market update. Inflation remained elevated in April, with consumer prices rising 0.6% for the month and 3.8% from a year ago. Much of the increase was driven by higher gas and food costs, with energy prices continuing to ripple through the broader economy. Core inflation, which excludes food and energy, also came in hotter than expected, signaling that price pressures remain persistent. Wholesale inflation showed similar trends, with producer prices jumping 1.4% in April and rising 6% year over year. For the Federal Reserve, the challenge remains balancing stubborn inflation with signs that the labor market is cooling. While higher inflation supports keeping interest rates elevated, softer employment trends could strengthen the case for rate cuts later this year. Meanwhile, the Senate confirmed Kevin Warsh as the next chair of the Federal Reserve as Jerome Powell's term came to an end. Markets will be closely watching Warsh's first Fed meeting in June for clues about the future direction of interest rates. In housing, existing home sales edged up 0.2% in April, while inventory rose nearly 6% from March. Although inventory remains below historical norms, buyers may be seeing a bit more breathing room as bidding wars continue to ease compared to recent years. On the labor front, new jobless claims remain relatively low at around 211,000, while continuing claims stayed elevated at 1.78 million, pointing to a longer job search for many workers. Lastly, retail sales rose 0.5% in April, showing consumers are still spending despite higher prices and mixed economic signals. If you're thinking about buying, refinancing, or have questions about the market, I'm always here to help.